Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to copy trade in Pocket Option. Firstly, log into your Pocket Option account and in the main platform menu, select Social Trading. This will take you to the copy trading interface where all the top performing traders are listed. Scroll through the list of available traders, all analyze stats like win rate, profitability, time active, and number of trades. Pick a trader that matches your risk level and goals. Before copying, customize percentage of trades to copy, minimum trade amount, and maximum limit per trade or day. These settings help you manage risk and keep control over your funds. After setting your preferences, hit copy. The system will now automatically copy all trades from your selected trader in real time. You can pause or stop copy trading anytime. Monitor performance regularly and switch traders if needed, if still recommended to learn trading basics while copying others. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.